Now you've opened up the Kucoin app. So once it opens up, you just click on your profile or at the top left. Once you click on that, you go down to settings and click on it. Then you will see language. You click on it. It will be set to your default language, so you can decide to choose it. So pick any language of your choice and just click on it. I would choose Japanese. It reloads. Everything will be changed to the language of your choice. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below.